Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can enable the automatic synchronization and customize the synchronization frequency in your calendar on OneCalendar app. So let us begin. So launch the OneCalendar app on your device, be it mobile or desktop computer, and log into your account. Next, click into settings in the bottom right. And as you probably know, you can synchronize your calendar manually here by clicking into this button. For instance, if new events have been added, what you want to do is click into settings, navigate to options, and here click into synchronization, and here enable the automatic synchronization by clicking into it and by choosing any other option that none. Now, you can, for example, choose a different frequency like 1 day, 12 hours, 8 hours, and you can do that also for the iCloud calendar if it's connected to your OneCalendar application. And yeah, choose your preferred synchronization frequency so that your OneCalendar account may synchronize your events with the given external calendar with the selected or in this given frequency. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.